vloggy time. I am about to go meet my best friend Kennedy. We are gonna go fishing on the Sammamish River. She has never gone. Well, that's not true. She has gone fishing before, but it's been a really long time, so I'm gonna go and fucking fish with her. I am kind of nervous because my boyfriend de-hook the fish when we catch it, and I'm just like kind of not ready to touch the fish, so I feel really nervous for that part. But she says that she's fine touching the fish, so we'll see how that goes down. Okay, so I just got to the park where we're gonna go fishing at, and it's a beautiful day. It's really hot. It's over 82 degrees right now. Tell me why it's kind of like embarrassing to like just film yourself in the parking lot. Today we're hoping to catch some rock bass because I know they're in that river. I know they're there. I'm really nervous because I like really don't want to touch the fish. I really don't want to touch the fish. And normally my boyfriend, he's so sweet, he does it for me. And I'm just like, what are we gonna do if we can't get the fish off the hook? I really don't know.
Hi to the vlog camera. We're about to go fishing. As you can tell, we're in a really peaceful environment. Behind us, you can tell someone who really knows what they're doing. They're over there flying those little helis. They're flying the hell out of the helis.
I don't think Digi's picking it up. Bro, can you see? Is that a fucking flying saucer, bro?
If you can't tell, it's sideways and upside down. And then here we have kind of a cutie. He was kind of a cutie. Pressure washing the soccer bowl. Yeah, so we're saying fuck this. We need to get to water.
Wait. Give them the deeds of the outfit of the day.
So the outfit of the day, this is from like Marshall's.
Oh?
Like 2 summers ago, yes. I cut this little tanky right before I came here. I'm wearing a pink G-string that you can see through.
Pink tee, okay.
And my little Tevas that I got off of Amazon 3 years ago for $25.
Period. Glasses, accessory deeds.
Petrified.
From her mom.
Nails. Magnetic turquoise from Patra. Rings. And a bracy from Garrett from my 9th birthday.
Period.
And minimal, really like you can tell I watched a Bella Hadid tutorial before I came. And that's how we go fishing. You go show them what you wearing, girl, or did you already do it in the car?
No, I didn't. Okay, so today we have a cropped, what is this, cheetah print, leopard print?
Yes.
Cami tank from the thrift. Pink sport from the demonized Target, rightfully so, maybe so, maybe the girls are onto something. Fresh pedicure. Thrifty sunnies.
Show them the look.
The Eily. The Eily. Can you guys see that? Hoops, tarnished. Really tarnished hoops from, I can't even remember when. Maddie necklace from my sweet Aunt Sherry. She got me it for my first quarter completed in college as a gift for getting 4.0. Baddie's only here. Smart Baddie's only here. Miss President's list. You're looking at her Miss President's
Dean's
list right there.
Yes.
Period. First catch of the day. Tell them about your setup. What kind of rod and what kind of stick is that?
Well, slimy for Charlie.
Slimy fish. Slimy stick.
Victoria Gossett got me this rod. Want to see this cast?
Okay, so she's flicking it up. Oh my god, it almost hooked me. Little Willie!
I don't know how I did that. I'm really sorry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, she's flicking it up. She's reeling it back in. There it is.
I really can't get like more than 20 feet away from myself in between. That's okay. I don't chase, I attract.
So we have the Bass Pro Shop tackle box there.
Matching teal setup.
Yeah.
Wish mine was pink.
I know.
I'm like, so do I have a fish?
Oh, fuck.
Well, something got my bait, and it was not a fish. What the hell?
The first time getting caught on the weed. Alright, so we're off to a really great start.
What can I say? Back in business almost.
So we untangled it.
If it tangles again,
No, it won't. Okay?
it'll just be me for the day.
Such clean water. I really don't worry about getting a flesh-eating disease in this water. Alright, so it's getting fucking serious right now.
Alright, after having to restring my line probably 5 times, turns out not due to user error.
No, because I tried to, and that shit was...
Something was fucking wrong. They're not biting, so I'm taking matters into my own fucking hands. I'm getting the fuck in. It's like farting.
Yeah, I know. I was like, did you just rip ass? Wait, okay. Really quick though, don't go like past your hips because you don't want to fall and then drown.
Ugh, yeah, that would not be the vibe.
No, and I'm like sitting here and digi. But if you do fall, just like unclip them. Okay?
Okay.
Worst case scenario.
Oh. Oh my god. The current's strong.
She's having to fight for her life.
I know. I will catch a fucking fish if it's the last fucking thing I do.
Yart. Period. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it feels good. It being cold, but not directly on you.
Yeah.
Are you gonna put them on too?
I might fuck around, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And we know mine only goes past a certain point. I'm still not gonna catch it. It's crazy.
I wouldn't be so sure. Glowing angel.
But you know the good thing? That sun's fucking going down. And then we'll be able to stay for hours longer.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You did it, girl. Here, give it to me. I'll get it for you. No! Good job.